Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Twinkle and I crochet. As a beginner, I can totally understand it is very difficult to figure out, how to get started, which yarn to use, which hook to use, and how to mix and match them. But don't you worry, I got you covered. In this tutorial, I am going to explain step by step so it's easier for you to pick and choose, and also you can start crocheting confidently. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, when you are picking out the yarn, you need to know that yarns come in different materials, sizes as in thickness, and also in textures and obviously colors. First being the material, you would want to start with something like acrylic or cotton. Do not go for the textured ones, because it might look pretty but then it's just difficult to work with. Second, you have to see the thickness. I would recommend to start with a medium weighted yarn. Number 4 is what I use when I want to go like little lazy. And last comes, but the most important part, color. When it comes to color, light colors are your best friend, because if you are using a darker color, then it's just difficult to see the stitches. It's gonna take you a lot of time, you might lose interest, which we do not want. So always go for white, beige or pastel colors to begin with. Okay, now let's talk about hooks. So hooks again comes in different materials and sizes, but here's a simple guide how to pick them. First being material, crochet hooks come in plastic, bamboo, metal and all of these other materials, but then I personally prefer the metal one because it is easier to work with, and also it lets your yarn glide out very easily from the hook, so you can pick that. And when it comes to size, crochet hooks are measured in millimeter. If you see a crochet hook, I have one, you can see a number mentioned here, it's written 5 mm. So for beginners, I recommend using a 5 or 5.5 mm hook, and it works very well with most of the worsted weight yarn. And there are some other important facts like grip. If you're having issue with holding a hook properly, if it pains your wrist or something, you can use an ergonomic one. And that's it for now. So now you know what yarn to use and what hook to use to start your crochet journey. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you, please do give a thumbs up and also subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials. Also please let me know in the comments which project you want to start with. See you until next time. Happy crocheting.